Hi, so my name is Ashley Van Gilder. I am a sixth grade science and social studies teacher at St. Mary's Grade School in St. Mary's, Kansas. We are a public school. I know a lot of people assume that when they hear St. Mary's Grade School, they think that it is a private school. It is not. Um, so some extra responsibilities that I do have here though is I am a mentor teacher this year to a first year teacher. This is my fifth year at St. Mary's, but my seventh year teaching overall. I taught 2 years at Oakley Middle School, teaching fifth grade social studies and language arts. Um, so one of the questions that we're supposed to answer is who has the most influence on or in your life? I gotta say, my father has had a huge influence on my life. I am a lot like him in many ways. He was a high school math teacher for many years. He retired my junior year of high school. I've always aspired to be like him, the type of person that he is. Um, and so he's always encouraged me to follow my dreams. So because of him, I've done some amazing things. I've seen places, I've accomplished goals. I've started my master's program and should finish in May. Another huge influence on my life is my seventh grade social studies teacher. Actually, eighth grade social studies teacher. His name is Mr. Anashot. He is who actually instilled the love of history into my life. I always realized that Leighton, I, I always knew that I enjoyed history, but I didn't know that I could enjoy it as much as I did until I had him as a teacher, and he kind of sparked that within me. I've always wanted to do that with my students. I always strive to find that one thing that they are passionate about and be able to expand on it. And then the other influence on my life are my two boys. I have a 4-year old and a 3-year old. They inspire me to be the best person that I can. I do things so that way I can make sure that they have a better life and that they can make sure that they follow all of their dreams. Um, so I took the personality test, and according to it, extrovert. I'm a huge extrovert. I'm also high in agreeableness. I would agree with that. I can be very outgoing. There are times that I'm reserved, but I can be very outgoing. As an educator, I think that you should be outgoing, or if you're never going to be able to get your kids to like buy into what you're trying to teach them. And then also agreeableness. I mean, I'm a person who likes to have everybody agree. I'm going to try and smooth the waters as best as I can. Um, and so, I mean, the one thing that I probably don't agree with is the emotional stability. It's scored in the fifth percentile. Um, I'm not sure exactly how to interpret that, but it doesn't sound like it's a positive with it being in the fifth percentile. And I would definitely say that I am emotionally stable. I mean, I, I'll just leave it at that. Um, and then the two leadership theories that I align to, the first one is the participative leadership theory. I like to get input from others before making a decision. I feel that as a leader, you need to be informed on what the group wants, as well as maybe how it's going to affect them and hearing all sides of it rather than just saying, here's how it goes and we're just going to do it. Um, and then also the authentic leadership theory. I'm one who will tell you how it is. If I don't like the way that you're doing something, I'm going to tell you. I mean, I know with students and in the classroom, I like to let them sometimes test their ideas, and either they'll fail or they'll succeed, but either way, they're going to learn from it. And I'm authentic with them. I tell them that. I'm like, sometimes I want you guys to fail in creating a project just that way you can see what it feels like and see how you can grow from that. Um, so, I mean, I think this does relatively coincide with my personality results. Definitely the participative leadership theory with wanting to be agreeable with everybody and hearing everybody's sides. And then the authentic, again, kind of fits along with that as well. So, thank you so much.